So today we're going to be looking at the Bitoreum Network Explorer. If you don't know what Bitoreum Network is, I do recommend you having a quick look at their website by navigating over to www.bitoreum.org and then clicking on documentation where you can review their white paper. Very quickly here then, so if you go over to the white paper, Bitoreum is a fork from Raptorium. And it's very interesting because of its mining algorithm that has capabilities to reject ASIC, which is known to consume a lot of power, and you can mine with your CPU or GPU. I've got other videos explaining on how to do that, but I do recommend you going over and looking at the other videos that I've got on my channel. Before we get into the Bitoreum Explorer, if you're new to the channel, please do click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's completely free. And if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. Now, let's get over and looking at the Explorer for Bitoreum Network. So, within the Explorer, you are able to verify the network speed, difficulty, coin supply, and smart nodes within the first window. There are a couple of graphs here. I do believe this may have some additional graphs added in the future. You can also verify the Bitoreum Block Explorer. And within the Bitoreum Block Explorer, you can look for any transactions that are made within the blockchain, which contain a block number, contains a hash, and then information on the recipients, etc. So let's have a quick look here. For example, we've got this block here, and if we click on the hash, this will then provide us information here about the transactions. So it's waiting for confirmation at the moment. It's got the timestamp. It's got the amount of the transaction and the addresses for the recipients and the input addresses as well. Okay, so if we have a look here at the top again on master nodes, we have got here all of the nodes that have been enabled within the Bitoreum network. So you can verify here if your node is deployed and enabled. So once you go through the wall of the smart node setup, it's always advisable for you to come here and double check that your node is enabled. And there is also information about the wallet's address for your node. So if you click on a wallet, you are able to see here all of the transactions that have been made to your wallet. Next up, we've got movement here at the top. So within movement, you can verify all transactions that have been made within the Bitoreum network as well, and the amount of those transactions. So let's click here on one of the hashes. And here it will take us also to verify the confirmations, the input address, and recipients. Next up, it's a network. If we click on a network, under network, I believe this to be every single wallet that has been installed on a particular computer. And when you install a wallet, it installs Bitoreum Core, and it remains running as long as the wallet is open. And this identifies also here the countries where those wallets are open. It's got the version of the core, and it's got the IP addresses as well for each and every wallet that it's actually connected on a computer. Next up, we've got the top 100 coin holders. Here we can verify the amount of the coin holders. For example, this one here, we've got 6 million here. So if we click on this address, it's got all of the transactions for this particular address as well. And then we've got the APIs where, if you are a developer, or if you want to just run some extended APIs to perform some verifications, such as get balance, for example, get tasks or last transactions, get current price, etc. So you can run these APIs to be able to get all of the information that you want. And then we've got claim address. So claim address basically is a tool that can create a display name for your wallet. So let's give you an example here. So if we go to the top 100 coins, you will see here that there is one address here that it's named dev, so it doesn't have the wallet naming convention. What you need to do, if you want to have your name here, for example, I'm going to be changing mine to Big Deals Ninja. What I need to do is click on claim address, enter my wallet's address, and then enter the display name and then the signature. Now, as for the signature, there is information here on how you can get the signature as well. So if you want to do this, pretty simple to do. I'll be doing mine shortly, so I'll do another video on how to do that as well. So once you have your signature, click on claim, and your wallet will be displayed with the custom display name that you have set here. And this is it, folks, for today in terms of the Bitoreum Explorer. There are some links here at the bottom as well for GitHub, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and the Bitoreum website as well. If you want to have a look at those, so I'll actually recommend you having a look at them if you haven't looked yet. And this is it, folks, for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out as well. Take care, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.